Hey, this is Rockin' Robin. I'm here during Hurricane Dorian. We are in the dark, and we want to...
Hey, what are you doing in the dark?
Hey, I was making a video. Okay, as you can tell, we do have electricity. We did not lose electricity in Stuart. This is Rockin' Robin, but we did catch her some good videos, so I want you to keep watching. Hey, this is Rockin' Robin. I am at Shrimpers. Look how high the water is. Can you go over there so I can show on the other side of this truck? There is Shrimpers, and there is the water right up to it. I don't know what it's like if it's flooded in it, but we'll show you right around the whole thing. We are leaving now because the cops do not want us to stay. And that is the Twisted Tuna from Manatee Island. That's what it is, Manatee Island. Okay. Yeah, it's during Hurricane Dorian, but people do not seem to care. They just want to get out and see what's happening. And this is Sandsford Park, and here are people walking in the water and on the docks. Channel 12 about to take a video. They're getting all set up. You can see it's a party atmosphere. The sun is out. It's a beautiful day. People are swimming. It's totally unreal. This is also Sandsford. During Hurricane Dorian. It's right now at the peak. Park. It is a little bit wet. And this, my friends, is Shepherd Park. Or was Shepherd Park. I usually park down there. You are watching Rockin' Robin 103 during Hurricane Dorian. These are some of the good shots we've got to show you. Click the subscribe button down below so you can see more. We will bring you whatever we can. Wow, this is amazing. It's just a little bit wet down here.